In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Zoom account to your Stand Store so that you can meet with customers on coaching calls and make everything fit together seamlessly and easily. Let's get started. To start, you'll log into your Stand Store and you'll end up on your home screen that shows your store visits, revenue, leads, all of your information that you need to know. Then you will go over to the left-hand menu, click on Settings, and then from Settings, you will go up to the top menu and click on Integrations. When you click on Integrations, you'll then see Zoom here in the middle. This is the current integrations that StandStore offers, and Zoom is one of the top ones for anyone that does coaching calls because you can send out a Zoom link, make things super easy. It connects to your calendar. It's great. So let's go ahead and click Connect on this little Zoom area right here. So we click Connect. And then that will take us over to Zoom. Here we're going to log into our Zoom account and then you will click Sign In. This will bring up the page on your Zoom account where you're going to grant StandStore access to all of your Zoom info. So it will show your account information, your email that you have with Zoom, and then it will basically tell you what you're giving Stan permission to do. So when we scroll down, it does have a note that the app that Stan can access this and manage this even when we're not using it. And then it shows kind of what they will have access to. So our profile and contact information, our settings, and then product usage. And then they can manage, Stan will be able to manage content, participants, registration, and scheduling, which we want because we are having people sign up on Stan, pay for coaching calls, and then set them up. So we need Stan to be able to access Zoom so that it's all integrated together. So if you're happy with this and you want to have Stan get access to all of your Zoom information, click this button that says allow the app to use my shared access, and that will give Stan everything they need. So click allow at the bottom of the screen and you will be done setting up this account. So now we can see that they are connected, and if you ever want to disconnect it, you can come back to integrations under settings and click disconnect. If you have any sort of coaching call or any sort of meeting or one-on-one option in your store, in your Stand Store where they can book a call, this is going to make it so much easier. So you'll have your availability, and then to configure this, when you get to your coaching call page, you basically just select the drop down, and instead of it being the default, which is using Stand Store's option, you select Zoom meeting. So that is how it's going to integrate with Zoom. So you have all of the same options for selecting times and everything like that. But when you publish it, it's then going to be integrated with Zoom. So that information will be sent to Zoom and you will have everything set up. It will send Zoom links. It's going to be so much better for you if you already like using Zoom to do those one-on-one calls. If this video was helpful, subscribe to Create with Pennies here on YouTube, where we talk about creating income streams online and all about StandStore. If you need more, definitely check out this video next.